Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Wednesday 9th April 2025. 8 April 2025 UK 49's lunchtime member only 3 hot number prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 7, number 17, number 42. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join now UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number first number 7, number 18, number 20, number 37, number 45, booster number 32. UK 49's tea time prediction number first tea time prediction number first number 4, number 13, number 25, number 30, number 46, booster number 8. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.